In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on notifications for important emails only in Gmail. It's a great way to manage your inbox by ensuring you only get notified about the emails that matter most. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up your web browser and head over to Google. You can do this by simply typing google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. Look for the sign in button, which you'll generally find in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and a sign in page will appear. Type in your account credentials to log in. If you have multiple accounts, you might be prompted to choose the one you want to access. After successfully signing in, you'll automatically return to the Google homepage. The next thing you'll want to do is navigate to your Gmail. You can either type in mail.google.com directly into your browser or click on the Gmail link in the Google Apps menu, which you can open by clicking on the grid icon near the top right of the page. Once you're in your Gmail dashboard, it's time to head over to the settings. Look for the gear icon in the upper right part of the page, which represents your settings menu. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on the See All Settings option to bring up the full settings page. Now that you are in the settings section, you should look for the General tab. This tab is usually the first one, so it should already be open. Within the general settings, you'll want to scroll down to find the desktop notifications section. This can be a bit hidden towards the middle of the settings page, so keep an eye out as you scroll. In the desktop notification section, you'll see several options. To ensure that you only receive notifications for important emails, choose the option labeled Important Mail Notifications On. If you don't see this, make sure that you have your important emails configured correctly by clicking on the priority settings where you can mark the sender or subject as important. Once you select this option, Gmail will notify you only when an email is marked as important. Before wrapping up, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the settings page where you'll see a Save Changes button. Make sure to click it, otherwise all your efforts in setting this up will be for naught. Congratulations, you've now set up your Gmail to notify you only of important emails, streamlining your email checking process and keeping distractions at a minimum. That's it for today's tutorial on configuring Gmail notifications. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your digital life efficiently. Thanks for watching.